All right. Hey, Travis.
Hi, Brian.
So it's January 20th. We are. Let's get in the sun here. Can you get over here? Ah, there we go. Hey, I'm sorry for the interruption, but I wanted to apologize in advance for the focus on this video. I left the camera in manual mode as opposed to auto mode, which means much of the footage is out of focus. It's also cold out, so I didn't want to completely reopen the hive and disturb the bees anymore. With that, back to our scheduled programming. Last time we were in the hive was on December 10th. We were really worried that the cold weather in the last couple of weeks was going to freeze them to death, but as you can tell, nice January day, and they're out and flying. Yay. So, hold on, back in the sun here. So basically we're just going to open them up real quick and go in and see whether or not they have enough sugar and how big the cluster is and all that kind of stuff. Let's take a look. So I brought some extra sugar fondant, but it looks like they have plenty right here. The newspapers are soaking wet, which means that they have been generating a lot of heat. So we're going to replace the newspaper, throw a little bit more fondant in here, and see how the cluster is inside. Oh, look, frozen bee.
Wow.
Okay, so the winter cluster looks super strong. They don't even look that angry. There's plenty of honey left all throughout the center here. They all look pretty happy, surprisingly. Can you see them? Wow. Hey, ladies. Let's take a look at the bottom box real quick. See how many bees are down below.
Are they angry?
Yep.
Did you get stung?
Okay, we're putting them back.
Oh. Death came to one of them.
Yeah, it's fine. So, there, can you... Let me move out of the way here. So I got one sting right there, but it means they're feisty. The cluster goes all the way up and down, so it means there's a lot of bees left. I think we're good to go. We'll cover them back up. It's good enough for today.
They're alive! They're alive!
Wow.
You got...
Just one.
He decided you were a threat.
Yep. I was like, yep, that one's gonna get me. Landed on me and it got me immediately. Whatever. come after me. Oh, look at them dragging out dead bees.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of cool.
A few of those.
All right, so hold on. Let me get my sunglasses on so I can actually see this thing. So this was a short one, but they're definitely in there, Travis.
Yep.
They're flying all over the place. They're super feisty. The cluster goes all the way up and top to the top box and the bottom box. I got stung once, which is fine. You can see it right there. But they have plenty of sugar, they have plenty of honey, so I think we made it through, unless we get a really big cold snap, which is pretty exciting.
Yep,
we'll
very
split
exciting.
the hive this spring.
All right.
Sorry again for the focus on the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe right here, watch more videos right here, and comment down below. Also, it'd be really nice if you hit that like button so that more people watch these videos. Thanks. See you later.